Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 GMC Yukon SLT. Stock number is A7830A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires, and those are 20-inch chrome wheels. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. You have second row and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. You have a rear-facing entertainment center here, and then up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera, and your factory trailer hitch is here. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Both passenger and driver seats are heated seats, and the driver's side has 2-point memory controls. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touch screen that includes your stereo and CD player. Dual climate controls. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Yukon on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.